up and at 'em as clouds are thickening, and we do have rain and thunder showers just to our west and southwest, and they'll move in probably between, let's say, 9, 10, 10:30 this morning. Western counties, obviously, you'll see them probably 9, 9:30 your time, and then as we head into the Central Valley between about 10 and 11. So they'll be heading through, and they're going to last for a couple of hours, and then they'll shift on to the east. So it's not going to be an all-day type thing. In fact, by the afternoon and evening hours, will dry out. That's kind of round one. The big question, will they be round two with the actual front? And probably the answer to that question will lie in a couple of factors. If we do see a big window of afternoon sunshine develop, that may destabilize the atmosphere. So you're going to need some instability for this because you're going to have a little shear in the atmosphere, but instability could be down because of cloud cover. High temperatures may stay into the lower to middle 60s. If they'd be around 70 degrees, then confidence would be a lot higher to see a few strong storms late this evening and the first half of tonight with the actual front. But I think at this point, if we do stay fairly overcast and highs between about 63 and 66, we may see a few isolated showers and thunder showers with the front early tonight. I just don't think they're going to be too strong. But that will all be dependent on what happens this afternoon and this evening. And if we see that instability, then there will be a little bit bigger threat of seeing a strong storm or two pass on through. So it's kind of a wait and see there. But one thing we are sure of is just within the next hour to 2 hours, we're going to see this first area of rain and thunder showers move in. Sometimes when you have that, that kind of spins the atmosphere, and if you do stay cloudy and wet through a part of the afternoon and then see late sun, it's not going to be enough to really destabilize the atmosphere. So a couple of factors that we'll be watching. First of all, the rain. Then do we stay cloudy? Do we warm up? And those factors will determine basically what may happen later tonight. Once the front passes, though, everything dries out. We'll have a lot of wraparound clouds tomorrow, and with that in mind, it's going to be a bit cooler. Even though it's going to be dry, highs probably staying into the 50s across much of the area, and the clouds will be tough to scour out. Sometimes you get this effect with these frontal systems in late winter and early spring. And I think that's going to be the case maybe tomorrow, and then again maybe for the middle and second half of next week. But highs into the 50s, drier Saturday, and then late Saturday night we may actually clear out. If we do, temperatures could fall into the 30s. Can't rule out a little patchy frost. I don't think we're going to get down near freezing, but can't rule out a little patchy frost. But for Sunday, a beautiful day as we kick off springtime. Lots of sun, highs mid and upper 60s. Monday, another good day, mostly sunny, 70 to 72, so that'll feel great. As we head into Tuesday and Wednesday, though, our next storm system moves in from the west, and we'll see showers move in by Tuesday night, and then Wednesday looks pretty unsettled with showers and thunder showers, and then the front pushes on through. May see him a little more wraparound cloudiness Thursday, even a possible shower. And then as we head into days, let's say 7, 8, 9, and 10, weather-wise looking pretty quiet. Still real no cold air in sight, so I think we're going to be in pretty good shape there. So anyway, take care today. If you're heading out through the mid-morning hours, take along the umbrella if you're running those errands and things like that. After that, we'll see a break in the action probably from just after lunchtime into the early evening hours at least. So there'll be a good 6-hour window if you need things to need to get out and do some things this afternoon. So no problem. So hey, take care, be safe, have a great rest of your Friday, and we'll talk to you later.